Mary, what book is that?
It's Sneaky
Sneaky Weasel?
Weasel. What's that? What's that?
I don't know, I can't see. Your bum is
Cup.
annoying.
A cup. A big new.
Oh?
It's put a cup of new.
You see the balloon?
The cup is brand new. What's that?
Open.
What's that?
Is that the weasel?
See the whistle. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nanny.
He's naughty, I know.
No, it's nanny. Hats be new.
Balloon.
Hats and a cake.
Where's the cupcake?
I know.
You don't know?
Okay, cake.
Find the cupcake.
Let's go. Let's go.
Keep going.
Cake. I see.
No. Next page.
Slippers?
No, I think you skipped one.
Okay. I see. I know.
The cupcake's all gone?
Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Mama?
I don't know. Where did it go?
Let's see. Cake.
Oh, I think you found it. No.
I found it. I found it.
Where? Show me cupcakes. You see the cupcakes? Sneaky Weasel has cupcakes.
More cake.
That's right.
More cake.
Yeah.
Yummy. Cake. It's for further.
It's a flower. Does it smell good?
A spell. More cake.
No more cupcakes.
More cake. More cake.
Uh-huh.